Dear students, I hope everyone is doing great. Today, I'll teach you how to install and configure Xampp software. This software is used for learning PHP and MySQL and so many others as well, but mainly these two. You can download the Xampp software from the following link. Let's start. Okay, I have already downloaded the software. You can see it. Okay, I'll show the website as well. Look at this website here. Just go to this apachefriends.org and then you just click download and you have the software is here. Okay, there are multiple softwares are available. Which one is latest, that you can choose it, or else if you want to use the older version you can use it. Okay, all right, let's proceed. First, what you need to do is just double click this software and it will ask you the permission. Just click yes. Okay, now there will be a warning message to you. Okay, so it says that do not install in program files or deactivate UAC. UAC is account control. So you can disable it and you can proceed, or else install in other columns like D or E or F, whatever it is. Okay, so what to do now, just click OK. Then the wizard will be appearing here. You just click next, and now you can customize it. By default, Apache will be installing and PHP will also be, but other software will not be installed. Okay, what you can do, whichever software you wanted, you can just make enable and then others you can disable. Now I'm going to install MySQL only, so Perl also I'm removing. Okay, I'm going to install MySQL, PHP and Apache. And for MySQL, we need PHP MyAdmin. Just click next. Now, if you want to change the directory, you can change the directory, or else you can leave it as it is. For a demonstration, I'm just leaving this as it is. Click next. It says like the folder is empty, not empty. So select another folder. That means this particular folder is already existed in my system. So in that case, you can just remove it, delete that folder and try to install. Okay, let me go to C colon. See here, there is a folder and just deleting it. Okay, now let me proceed. So it is accepting. Fine, next. Just proceed next. For installation, it will take some few minutes. Okay. Students, still the installation process is going on. So I'm pausing the video. Now installation process has been completed. Now just click finish. Then click yes. Then you will see the control panel appears. If it is not appearing, you can click from this icon, or else it will come. Okay, now look at this. So now what we have to do is just put a tick mark here. It will be asking to install Apache service. Click yes. Then again here for MySQL, here also click yes. Okay, now what you can do is just click this button start. So once you have clicked, it will take some few seconds and it will try to create the PID, that is um, process ID and port numbers. Okay, let me proceed with the MySQL. I think MySQL is getting started, but Apache is not. So what we have to do is even MySQL is not started. So these problems generally you will face it. Okay, so for that reason we need to do some configuration setup. So now just click this button config and select this first option Apache httpd.config. Then you will see one notepad is opening. Go down and then find listen. Okay, here you need to change the port number. By default 80 is given, so I'm just including 8080 is the port number. So in this listen also 8080. Okay, and come down. If you find any number like 80, there also you need to change 8080. Okay, localhost, it says 8080, right? Okay, I hope that is all. That's it. So in three places you need to change the port number 8080. Fine, it's not available. All right, close it. When you're closing it, it will be asking you to save it. Fine. Okay, again you click start. Now you can see that Apache server has been started. All right. Okay, number two, configuration. Again you click config button and select the second option, which is SSL. Click that. Here also you will find one notepad appears. Here also just drag down and find listen. So here another port number is given. So here what I am going to do, I'm going to type 5. So 4435 is a port number for SSL. All right, come down. Wherever you find 443, can you see here? Okay, put 5 over there, and here also put 5. That's it, I hope so. Down, that's it. Yes, close it, save it properly. Okay, that's all. Once again you just click stop. Again start it. Now you can see that the port numbers are clearly denoted. Okay, same process you need to do for MySQL. So when we click MySQL, it is trying to start but unable to complete the full process. So for this also we need to do the configuration. Click config button and select my.ini. Here also notepad will be opening. Just find port, and there is a default port number. I'm changing into 3355, for example. And here also port 3355. Wherever you find that number, you just change it in the other way, whichever number you like it. Okay, there are more than 60,000 port numbers available in Windows operating system. So You can give your own numbers. Okay, this is the third place I have changed, and the default to here also we'll change it 3355. Come down, that's it. Click and then save the file. That's it. Now you just try to start it. Okay, done. So now the port number has been created successfully. So now what is happening is your Apache server and MySQL server both are running in your computer. Now you can proceed with the writing PHP programs and you can execute it. You can write PHP programs using Notepad++, which will be more comfortable and more options are available, so you can use it. Okay, another configuration also we should do. While doing that, we will also find some errors. Let us see that. Click this config button, and here click service and port settings. And you can see that the default port number is mentioned earlier. What we have done, just cross check what port number we have given, 8080. Okay, fine. So 8080, change it here. Here we have changed 5. And for MySQL, also change it 10 and click save. Okay, no problem. It's accepting. But there is a problem comes, like when you're clicking save, it will say the process is denied or you're not allowed to do these changes like that. So the point is you have to run this application as an administrator, then there won't be any issues. Okay, so click save here as well, and that's it. Okay, so how to run this application as administrator? Okay, go to start menu, and here you will see the link for this Xampp control panel. Just right click and select run as administrator. So if you face any trouble in configuring in this place, so you can just directly go and click here, run as administrator. That is one option. Another one option is go to computer. Here I have installed in this folder all my uh, DLL files and require files are available. Just go below and you can find Xampp control. Right click it, click properties, and click compatibility, and you can see this program should be running as an administrator. By default there is a tick mark. So if it is not available, say let us say like this. Okay, I have disabled it. Okay, now let me proceed once again, changing something here. Let me change something and let's see what's going to happen. Click. Okay, so it's running state, so that's why it is accepting. Let me stop. Close this. Once again, let's open this. Let's start this server. Okay. All right. So let's do the configuration. Right. Can you see this problem? So this problem you might face. So to avoid this problem, what you have to do is just right click, click properties, go to compatibility, and click run this program as an administrator, and click apply and click OK. Once again, you just stop the services, okay, close it, again open it, Okay, now let us start the server. Starting MySQL server. Go to this configuration, and if you do any changes here, say for example, I'm doing some changes, okay, just click yes, save it. That's it, right? That is all the process. So now you can proceed with writing PHP programs. Thanks for watching this video. Students, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My channel name is NetTriggers. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.